so I had to stop there and talk to the guys from the Ray Company. I guess we're gonna go get some tacos and beer, but I found our spot. 50907 is where you can find us. I'm gonna get this booth started, and then we're gonna go grab the polisher and the UDOS polisher and HDO STO pads and take them over to the new products category. We are at the Holly booth and we're getting ready to polish up this Mustang. Got scratched a little bit in transit and there was a couple things that we pointed out. So we got to get this thing all ready. Spent about a day and a half on this car and it does look really great, but we just got to fix a few things, make it happen. So
Hi everybody, good morning. I'm Bob Eichelberg, Global Sales Director for Lake Country Power Tools. I'm here at our booth in the Performance Pavilion, booth 50907. Hey, come on out and take a look at some of the new products we have. We were introducing our new UDOS 51E. That's a 5-in-1 tool from rotary to sanding to 12, 15, and 21 throw unit. Come on out and give it a try. It's here for you to try, for you to feel, and tell us what you think. And of course, we got the pads that we've manufactured exclusively for this tool to make it run at its best. So by all means, booth 50907, come on out and give us a try.
One of the biggest things, it's no secret that Lake Country's coming out with a new machine. And it's something that you guys have been working on for quite a while.
About 5 to 6 years.
Wow. What I was just blown away on is Scott, we met actually at going to Oshkosh at Air Events. And Scott doesn't like to brag about himself, so I'm not going to go there. I might do it another time, but right now, we want him to explain the technology on this backing plate, because I was just blown away to learn what I learned.